Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use the bubble gum machine step by step. Begin by locating the coin slot and inserting the correct coin, then turn the handle firmly until you hear a click and collect the gum from the chute with clean hands. If the machine seems stuck, do not force parts. Gently inspect the top hopper and clear any visible jams before continuing use. Load gumballs using the top hopper and avoid overfilling to prevent jams. Match the coin's size to the machine's coin mechanism, typically a quarter or token, and test with one cycle. Keep the machine clean by wiping the chute and hopper with a dry cloth and replace damaged gumballs promptly. Teach users to wait for full dispense before turning again to protect gears and ensure one gum per purchase consistently. Quick recommendation: if you want a fresher ride between machine runs, grab Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for your car. I love the crisp scent and long-lasting effect. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear guides. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then take a breath and enjoy the rest of the tips. Now let's get back to the video. If the machine jams, stop and do not force the handle. Open the service hatch or top and gently remove stuck gumballs with a soft tool. Check for foreign objects and inspect the gear teeth for wear. Replace worn parts as needed. Lubricate moving parts sparingly with manufacturer-approved lubricant, avoid oiling the coin mechanism, and keep a log of repairs to track recurring issues and prevent future breakdowns quickly and regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.